Hey everybody, Jay and A Review, and today we are freezing out here at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Yeah, that's right, I got Amanda out. It's a high balmy of 25 degrees. But we've got a good one we're going to look at today. It's a 2026 Jayco Jay Flight SLX, model number 290RKS. So let's get started. The length on this Jay Flight is 36 feet, 10 inches. The dry weight is 7,810 pounds with a hitch weight of 1,080 with a GVWR of 9,650 pounds.
Yes, I am frozen. I cannot feel my toes or my fingers or my nose, but that's okay. We're still going to show you this one. We're going to start right up here, show you that it does have a power tongue jack. Your propane is going to go under that cover, and of course your batteries will mount right back there. Before we get too far along, we'll let you know that you do have an option in this, so you can get the smooth sides, or this also comes in like the not corrugated, but
yeah, kind of a 10-sided.
Yeah, like that. So just kind of depends on what outside you prefer. This is going to have some storage right here at the front. Now these are going to have manual jacks. You are going to have 2 rack and pinion slides on here.
It looks like you got a pull or something.
Yeah, you got a pull handle there, and then there's
That's
another.
for your gray tank, yeah.
But while we're right here, this is going to be storage underneath your bed, and we have a drain going through.
Black tank
And your other pools.
Black tank flush.
Are going to have an outside shower. And let's come down here again. This is the smooth side, and then this is the not smooth side.
Now this one does have 2 gray tanks on it, so the whole thing is like 110 gallons of gray tank. Wow.
Yeah, so there's your other outlet. Now, standing back here at the back, it's going to be prepped for the lippert ladder. You do have a spare, and it is also going to be prepped for a backup camera. So there's the back of the smooth side, and then there's the back of the other, which pretty cool that we're actually going to be able to show you these side by side. Now the insides are going to be the same.
Tankless water heater.
Right there at the back. The awning on this one is
18
feet. All right, let's look at the other side of this pass-through storage so we can go inside.
Go inside where it's a little warmer?
Yes, not a whole lot, but a little bit.
Oh.
All right, so yeah, there's your other side there.
Not sure what that turns on.
Flip it again. Yeah, it's going to be your outside lighting.
Look
right
at there. Ain't that cool?
All right, now that we have figured that out, let's go see what the inside looks like. Now we have shown you guys this floor plan before.
It's been a little while, though.
It has been a little while. So, and since this is a 26 model, we wanted to bring this one to you again. Already, you can see that. Let me back up just a little bit more. Ooh, yeah, this unit is actually going to have 3 AC units on it, which is really unusual in a travel trailer. But you've got 2 in here, and then there's going to be a 3rd one in the bedroom. But this is obviously a rear kitchen, so we'll start back here at the rear.
Well, here, let's start right here.
We'll start right here. So you do have some storage over here. Not going to be solid surface in this. This is the Jay Flight SLX series, so that is going to keep your weight and cost down a little bit. You've got 4 really nice drawers right here at the end.
We did get a really good comment the other day that someone did enjoy that we do open up everything.
Well, it's nice to just kind of see how much you actually have to work with. It's very disappointing when you get in and you realize you don't have any storage. But this one actually gives you some really nice storage across the top there. This is going to give you a divided sink, which we don't always see anymore. plug in back here in the corner. Also one over here on the other side of the sink. Really nice size window so you can see out. Got some storage underneath here. This is going to give you a microwave.
Hood range.
Range hood. 3-burner cooktop with an oven. And then there's even going to be a little storage
Get over here.
underneath.
Ah!
Oh, they fooled me. Not storage.
That's where your fuses
So
are.
that's where your fuses are. Huh.
Well, that's
which
neat.
is, yeah. Okay. All right, now I'm thrown off. They mess me up. But you do have storage underneath the fridge. So there you go. Got your pantry over here. And then your 12-volt compressor fridge. All right. And this is Jayco, which I am actually a little bit surprised that there's heating in the floor. Most of their units, they've gone to under the cabinets, but
Well, the SLX.
this is the SLX series, which is, it's a little more budget friendly. So, from somebody who has heating in the floor, will tell you it works just fine. Trust us.
Well, I'm going to tell you, they don't slack
No.
on the cabinets.
No, they still have nice cabinets. This is going to give you a dinette that's got storage on both sides. Now this will make into some additional sleeping if you need it. And they actually give you a plug-in under there, which is really great. And speaking of weather and stuff, you're going to see stickers on these that say all season or year round or 4-season camping. Don't believe that.
No.
If it gets to be 20 degrees like it is right now, you're going to be cold. So there's really no such thing as an all-season camper. I'm just throwing that out there. So,
No 4 seasons.
no.
None.
So
They may say it,
they might say it, but
but there's not.
no. So you can fight me over that. That's truth, though.
Well, I'll just go ahead and say this out. Josh, the RV nerd, will stand with that statement.
Yes, he will.
Just saying.
And he's our friend.
Yep.
All right, finishing out this slide over here, you are going to have,
Yeah.
is it a trifold or is it a pull-out? I think
Well,
it's
it seems like it's a pull-out.
Oh, pull-out. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So that you will have some extra sleeping in there. But now what I really, really, really like about this particular floor plan is it gives you these 2 recliners. And you can move them around however you need them. You can even pull one on over a little further if you want to be in front of your TV. Now, we measured this space. 32 is going to be absolutely perfect there. We think you can get up to a 40, but that's going to be taking up all of that space if you do that. You do have some storage up above that area and down below. And then they do give you a fireplace. And trust me, I wish I could turn it on right now, but he claims it'll pull too much of our power out of our box. So,
Yep, it will.
whatever.
It
Anyway.
won't run it.
But yes, I mean, guys, look at this floor space in here. So this is a nice size camper. It really is.
And if you have a group of friends come over, this is really cool.
It's a good conversation area. So even if you're in the dinette, you're not left out of the crowd.
Wow.
And I just sniffed. I'm so sorry. My nose is running.
I didn't show all this.
Yeah. So, yeah, even more storage across there.
There you go.
And then it gives you this huge window. So, great place if you want to turn your recliners around the other way and have your morning coffee and look out across the campground.
Yeah.
I'm going to get me a coffee as big as your Buick when I leave here.
Yes, ma'am. All
Just
right.
saying. All right. Now, the bathroom is going to have 2 entries. So, right over here, you do have a mirrored medicine cabinet. And I love that they give you a plug-in right there for your hairdryer, even though hopefully you won't trip a breaker like I always do. Towel ring. Little bit of space underneath your sink. Not a whole lot because you've got access panel there, but yeah.
Look where they put the little...
Yeah. Now, here's your foot flush toilet, which is plastic.
It's okay.
Yeah. But now where they put that, I'm short. I don't know if I could reach the toilet toilet tissue over there. But
it is a little stretch.
that's a little stretch.
But you know, if you're in a need, you can get to it.
Well, I'm sure you could. We're not going. Let's not discuss that. Let's move on. This is going to give you one of those circular corner showers. We're not going to get in it because there's a lot of antifreeze in there. It's about a 32 by 32.
Something, yeah.
Yeah. So, and yeah, we're having.
Come back.
I know. I came in the wrong door. You do have a linen closet.
Yeah.
Now, it's got a little bit of a weird angle to it because of the other door wall out there. But hey, at least they give you somewhere to put your towels.
And there's so much light in here.
I know we don't even have
the lights on.
have the light on because it's so bright in there.
Wow.
All
Good.
right. Like I said, this is a dual entry, so you can get to it there, and there is a lock on the door. That is amazing. You don't always get that. So I'm just going. Hey, I just came through the bedroom, so here we are.
Does have a
Sliding door, which is kind of weird because this sliding door is not going to lock, so they can still.
oh, hell.
But anyway, it was a nice thought.
Always find something wrong.
They're going to give you this king size bed. Now we measured this, and for some reason this bed is only 79 inches long.
79 inches.
Instead of the traditional 80. I know they're still calling it a king, but just in case you need to know, this one's only 79 inches for some reason. There is storage up here, and these are on struts, so that's really cool. It'll stay up. I actually like that they did not put any windows in here. Now, if people sleep like I do, when I sleep, I want it to be dark.
Dark.
And so I love that there's no windows around the bed. You do have plug-ins on both sides, though, so that's super nice.
Look at this.
Huge storage underneath, and then that's access to the outside. Now, turning around here at the foot of the bed, you've got a little 2-drawer dresser. Not a whole lot of space, but hey, you can get your socks and undies in there.
Yeah.
And then you're going to be able to put another TV right up there. And as I pointed out, there is your third AC. 3 ACs in a travel trailer.
Are we still filming this with a potato?
I suppose we are. Not really sure what that comment meant, but we got it. And you've got great storage over here, prepped for washer and dryer.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna say probably a combo unit. I don't think you have enough room for a stackable. So, but you can get it in there.
And since you do have 2 gray tanks, your other gray tank monitor is right back here.
Yes.
Got a plug-in.
And a plug-in.
Oh wow, nice closet though.
Yeah, and then you have great hanging storage here. And another one on the other side.
Ooh, wow.
Yeah, and so here I am in my giant coat. Like I said,
You know, I'm not a fan
I am not a fan of
these.
Of the mirrors.
No.
To me, that's something that's just
It is going to rock and roll when you're going down the road.
Yeah, even if they're locked into place, they're still going to wiggle a bit. Hey, so what do you guys think? Do you like the mirrored doors, or would you prefer to have a solid door on your closet?
Wow. And let us know what you think about this floor plan.
Yes.
It's really, I like it. It's really cool. It's open. I love this kitchen.
And you got lots of space.
Yeah. All right, everybody. If you like this Jay Flight travel trailer, the dealership's information will be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.